Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix game bar if it's not recording here in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find the start menu, right click on it and just click on settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead over to gaming right here and click on game bar and make sure that this one is enabled. Alright, and once that's done, go ahead over to apps right here in the left panel. Now go ahead and find installed apps right here. Just click on it, wait for it, and once done, go find a game bar. Just basically scroll all the way down and we're going to click on system components. Okay, click on it, and here we have game bar. Just click on the three dots, click on advanced options. Right here, just basically click on repair. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, close this one. Now let's go ahead and press Windows plus G on our keyboard to open up the game bar. Like so. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just going to go ahead and show my whole screen. All right, there you go. Now, once that's done, once it's open, just go ahead over to the gear icon right here. Click on it, and after that, just click on more settings. Okay, go ahead over to widgets right here. Make sure that record in the background while I'm playing a game is enabled. Now, once done, just a tip right here, you can go ahead and select game or all, okay, for audio to record. All right, and once that's done, just go ahead over to shortcuts right here and make sure that you're pressing the right toggle. Okay. As you can see here, start and stop recording would be Windows plus Alt plus R. All right. To start it, again, Windows plus Alt plus R, and to stop it, the same keys. All right. And that's basically it. You can now go ahead and close this one, press the toggles or record it manually right here, and you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.